Hi, this is Fred from Korea Concept. Stucco looks like marble. This is how I do it. For your preparation, you'll need several tools: a brush, a drywall knife, a flexible trowel, a rigid trowel, a smoothing blade, and a small container. I'll explain what that's for. I'm going to create a white marble. For that, I'll need white, black, and that small pot that will serve another purpose. First, we sand the matte acrylic primer with 240 grit to remove the textured finish. Then, clean the surface with a damp cloth to remove all particles. Apply the first coat of stucco using the smoothing blade, with wide movements in a thin layer. The goal is to get a nice, even background. Let it dry for at least 3 hours. Once dry, sand it again with 240 grit to refine the surface. Then dust off using a dry cloth. For the decorative coat, first apply a bit of white, then a small dab of black to blend wet on wet into the white already applied. Then go back over it, pulling everything as far as possible using irregular movements, depending on the look you want. Repeat the process using your trowel. Burnish your still wet stucco to make it shine. Wipe your blade with a cloth and continue. For the small veins, we'll use our small pot, where we dilute a bit of black stucco with some water. Then draw the vein. Once the stucco is dry, sand the entire design using your sander and a 3000 grit pad. Then sand again using a 5000 grit pad to boost the shine. To finish, apply an ultra-thin layer of wax using your trowel. Be careful to spread it as much as possible to avoid buildup and visible marks. Wipe the blade with a cloth and keep going. Finally, once dry, buff it with paper towel to make it even shinier. If needed, use your buffer like a car polisher. Full speed, quick and light motions across the stucco. Avoid staying in one spot too long to prevent burning the wax. Click the little video here for more info on stucco basics. See you soon.